Follow the steps on how to make a photo with a brush effect like this in Photoshop. Let's start by creating a new document. Go to File and click Place Embedded to insert an image. Right-click on the layer and convert to Smart Object. Next, open the brush image. You can get this brush in the description. Click and drag the image. Activate the Quick Selection tool, then select and mask. Set it to onion skin and select Subject. Adjust the radius. And set the output to New Layer. Select this layer and delete it. Select this layer and hold Ctrl, then click this thumbnail. Next, make a mask. Select this layer and delete. Click this icon link to adjust the image position. Click this thumbnail to adjust the brush frame. Reactivate the link. Double-click the thumbnail to replace another image. Insert the image via Place Embedded. Turn off this layer and press Ctrl S to save it. Automatically the image has changed. Now I'll return it to the first image. Finished and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.